Hello again, welcome to today's attempt of a connections game. 16 clues and we have to divide them into 4 connected groups of 4. Where are we going to start? We've got dizzy, faint, and I was thinking light could be lightheaded, but I don't know what the fourth one would be, so presumably there's going to be a different group for some of those. I mean, lofty could mean high up, so it could be a lofty heights, dizzying heights. But then light and faint sort of don't fit in that group after all. What about guitar? Air guitar? Can air go before anything else? That begs the question, can anything else go before or after guitar? Guitar solo? Not convinced by that either. A count, a counter noble and a duke. But what would the fourth one be in this group as well? These are all sorts of ranks of... I mean, I want to say ranks of nobility, but it seems weird to describe them as nobility when noble is literally one of the group. I don't know, so I'm not convinced. What about a different group? What can giraffe be part of, apart from the fact that it's tall? Does it go with dizzy and lofty? Dizzy and lofty, I think, are characters in Bob the Builder, but I'm not sure I know 2 other characters, especially given that Bob himself is not in the grid. Oh dear, what are we going to do? I mean, light and mild, maybe that's a group. They could describe cheese, I suppose. Soft. Again, what would the fourth one be? I don't think giraffe cheese is something I want to be trying. What? I've found so many things that link 3 words in the grid. Do not know what any group of 4 could be. This requires some thought. Bottle. Genie in a bottle. What else can bottle be? Baby's bottle. Bottle it up. He's got courage. I just don't know. Noble, duke and count. How can there not be a fourth one? Oh, duke and dizzy. And maybe count and lofty? I think dizzy is... Dizzy and or duke. I feel like they are nicknames of guitarists or musicians. I feel like count and lofty might be as well. I mean, I'm really not convinced, but let's just try it and see if we're remotely close. Oh, I'm 1 away. Dizzy. Okay, I think that has to be it. What could the fourth one possibly be? I mean, presumably giraffe could go in this group. Is there a guitarist whose nickname is Giraffe? I'm really not convinced, but I have to try something. Okay, that's not even 1 away, so that means it's definitely dizzy, duke and count, I think. Cab? Cab was definitely the first name of a musician. First names in jazz, yeah. That is exactly what I was thinking. Okay, we're on the board. Goodness knows what else to do. At least that's the purple group. So the game does think that that's the most difficult group. But that doesn't help, because I've got no idea what any of the others are. Faint-hearted? Soft-hearted? Light-hearted? Mild-hearted? You'd say mild-mannered, wouldn't you? Noble-hearted? Really not convinced. So we've had a jazz group. So what's guitar Are we still going to have air guitar? What other kinds of guitar are there? There's grand piano. I don't think we can have another musical group though, surely. Huh. I still do think that light, soft and mild could go together as being descriptors of cheese or beer or something. Some food stuff. Grand cheese, great cheese. I mean, grand and great. A grand gesture, a great gesture, a noble gesture, and a lofty gesture? I'm very not convinced, but let's try it. It is a group, they just mean magnanimous, fair enough. So now, if it is soft, light, and mild, I really don't know what the fourth one might be. If it's those three, then what links 4 out of the remaining 5 words? Faint. I mean, it really feels like it's got to be faint-hearted then, doesn't it? Soft-hearted. Light-hearted. But then if it's mild-hearted, and it's not something to do with cheese, what on earth links guitar, lamp, giraffe and bottle? Let's just try these 4. They are a group, they just all mean delicate. Oh, how did a delicate flower such as myself not work that out? I mean, I was kind of there, wasn't I? Oh, so what links these 4? Things with necks. Things with necks? Bottle, giraffe, guitar and a lamp. Does a lamp have a neck? I don't know what the neck of a lamp is. And then, obviously, a giraffe has a neck, but so do so many other living creatures. I know that giraffe is most famous for its neck, but still. Tricky one at the end. But it doesn't matter, because I did not lose all my lives before I got to that point. So we have successfully solved the connections game. How did you find this? Did you struggle as much as I did, or maybe you struggled even more? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.